Today we are going to learn how to solve systems of linear equations using the substitution method. And right here we have a system of equations, our first equation being y equals 6x, and our second being 2x plus 3y equals negative 20. And what the substitution method is it is when you substitute one of the variables with an expression that is either already there for you or that you solve for, so that we will have an equation with one variable to solve for. And I know that sounds very confusing, but once you start doing problems, it's not as hard. But this is actually a fairly easy substitution problem, and it is because your y is already solved for. So you have y equals 6x. So now all you have to do is you just plug it into this equation. So you substitute your y right here. And now we're going to write this equation out with your y substituted. So it's 2x plus 3 times 6x equals negative 20. So 2x plus 18x equals negative 20. And you can combine these two. So it's 20x equals negative 20. And you're going to need to isolate your variable to get x, so you have to divide by 20. And negative 20 divided by 20 is negative 1. So x equals negative 1. And you think you're done, but you're not, sadly. So what we're going to need to do is, since you're using this method to solve linear systems, it's just like points on a graph. So you have your x and y, and right now I'm going to write the x. So we have negative 1 for our x value, and now we're going to solve for our y value. So basically you can pick an equation that you prefer, but if you look, this equation is going to be easier because it's for y. So it's y equals 6x, so all we're going to have to do is plug in the x, and it'll just be y equals the answer. So y equals 6 times x, which is negative 1, and 6 times negative 1 is negative 6, so y equals negative 6. And now you have your 2 points and your answer. And that's the substitution method. Thank you.